How to add custom location to Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now you will land to your home page. Within Instagram app, you want to find the option to create custom location. So in this video, I will be showing you guys one trick to create custom location. Tap on your story option. Now select any of the picture or video that you want to upload along with the custom location. Here I'm gonna select this one. After you select it, at the top you can find this text option. Tap on it. I'm gonna type in as create, log and delete office. After you type in the custom location, now what you have to do is at the beginning of the custom location you have to add a pin emoji. Search for it and add it as I have done it. Now you can just drag this location and fix the position of it in this way. And after you are done, you can tap on your story and upload it. After you upload this to a story, people will be able to see this location. But whenever people will try to tap on this location and open in the map, it won't open because this location doesn't exist. This is how you can create custom location on your Instagram story. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe.